Okay guys, we're back with another recipe by 30-minute paleo meals. This one is going to be roasted broccoli with pine nut parsley pesto. There's no picture, but there it is. So the first thing we're doing is preheating the oven to 450 degrees. Then we're going to take a baking sheet and line it with some aluminum foil. And then we cut up some broccoli. You cut up one broccoli head, and here we go. Let me bring this down actually. Sorry guys. So there we go. There's all the broccoli, and we're going to put it inside this large bowl here. All this broccoli here. There we go. And then inside this bowl here, we're going to add olive oil, which I've got that still got some Italian olive oil. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon, right here, tablespoon of olive oil. Drizzle it. Very, very good. And then we're going to add in some salt, sea salt, teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of sea salt, and some ground pepper. There we go. Now let me grab a spatula here. And we're just going to coat this really quickly. And then we're going to lay this on the baking sheet and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. There we go. But my oven is not done preheating, so we're going to wait a few minutes while that is done. And then we're going to grab the food processor and combine the pesto. So I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to get my food processor out, and then we'll finish the dressing. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so there is my food processor here. So now we're going to add in the for the pesto. So we're going to combine 1 cup of parsley leaves. Got it right here. Fresh cut parsley leaves. There we go. I'm not a big fan of parsley, but we're going to do what it says. So we'll see how well this works. I'm going to get some of these big stems out of here really quickly. I don't want stems. I've got like a fresh branch or something. Get these big stems out of here. There we go. That should be good. Maybe a few more. There we go. That's good. I don't know how well I'm going to like this. I'm not a parsley girl. Okay, then we're going to add in, after the parsley, you add the pine nuts in. And I did 1/4 of a cup of pine nuts toasted. So there, this is the packaging. I got it at Fry's. And then we're going to add in the pine nuts. And then after that, we're going to add in garlic. So 1 garlic clove. So I've got my garlic here. I'm just using this up. And we're going to do 2 spoonfuls. There we go. Perfect. And then we're going to add in salt and pepper and chop. I don't know, guys. Weird combination. Never really had pine nuts before. I guess you can use them on salads, but I've never used them. And then olive oil is 1/4 of a cup. So it says to add it while we're doing this. So let me get this started. It's plugged in. Yeah. It smells pretty good. I don't think until finely chopped. Okay. So it's not supposed to be like mesh. It's supposed to be finely chopped. I'm gonna do it one more time and then we'll call it good. I don't know, you guys. There we go. So let me get a handy dandy little bowl to put this in. Let's see if I have any clean ones. Yeah, I do. I have. So our oven is done, but I'm going to show you guys this here first. I'm going to bring this down here. I'll bring this out. It smells good, but it doesn't look like it tastes very good. Probably going to be very woodsy. It's going to have like a very stern taste to it. Yeah, it doesn't smell very good. I don't know. But this is it. Here, you guys, look. See? So now we're going to put the broccoli in the oven and we'll be back in about 20 minutes. So here's our cooked broccoli, and then here's our pesto. So we're just, I'm sorry it's so orange, you guys, but it's 5 o'clock here, and it gets dark so fast here. So I am just going to pour the broccoli into the pesto here, if I can get it without making any mess. Sorry. I'm just trying to get this off of here. I don't mind cooked broccoli, actually. I kind of like cooked broccoli. This is hot. So I'm going to bring this over here, spoon this over it. We're going to try this. Does not smell good for sure, but here we go. Okay, the broccoli might be a little hot, but let's go with my facial expressions. Now it's not so orange, but definitely not my thing. I can taste the parsley and the pesto, and the broccoli seems really dry for some reason. It said $4.50. I don't like it. It's got that woodsy flavor, very dense flavor. It's not, I don't know what you call it, but it's not like, it's dry tasting almost, with like a woodsy taste. So I will not be making this again. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.